Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Zebronics Zeb-Warrior 2.0 Multimedia speaker. So as you can see on the box itself, it says it has RGB LED lights, it has volume control, it has aux input as well as it is USB powered. It is a 2.0 channel speaker which is USB powered, has volume control and RGB LED lights. The output power is 10 watts. Each speaker has a 63.5 mm driver. It has a impedance of 3 ohms, a frequency response of 120 Hz to 15 kHz, and it also has a line input of 3.5 mm jack. The net weight of the speaker is 732 grams. So now let's open up the box of the speaker and see what we have in here. So you can see that the speaker is wrapped in some bubble wrap. So as you can see, this is a 2.0 channel speaker, which means you can use it with your PC or even a TV if you so want to. Here on the left speaker, you can see it has the Zebronics logo. And on the right side, you have a volume dial, which is quite smooth to operate and has the CD-like pattern with a silver ring finish. It looks pretty nice. The build feels robust, although a bit plasticky. It sits pretty nicely on the table. At the bottom, you have these foam pads, these 4 circular foam pads, which keep them from moving too much on a table. And also at the back, you don't have too much, you just have the wire coming out of there. So now this wire goes to this one. Let's take it out. So as you can see, we have 2 wires right here. One is a regular USB which you can connect in, and one is an aux input. You just put these into your PC and the speakers are reared up ready to go. The lights on the top here behind the grill will shine and it will look pretty funky and pretty stylish as well. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb-Warrior 2.0 channel speaker. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing.